Okay. We're back. We're headed up our street now. Folks walking in front of us. We're carrying groceries and just everybody's trying to get in before the second big bash hits. Okay. My husband's really a gentleman. He lets all the ladies, he flags the ladies. Tried to run over a guy back there. I ain't say nothing, but he lets the ladies through. Let's see now. Maybe he should.
You could have stopped and let me drive.
Well, maybe he's all right. Now, don't be a gentleman. Now, you just creep behind them. You can't stop for you, baby. Look at that sidewalk. Where did you want them women to walk in? Look at that.
I just wanted to let me by.
Well, go on around them. Go on around them now, sweetheart. Get them. Whoa! Don't run over them, though. Don't run over them. Get another lane, sweet. That's a good. See that moving? People will move for you. That's right. Oh, this one, I know you're tired. I ought to make my husband get out and carry your bag. Baby, get out. Get out and help this woman. She probably, whoa, the jumping is not me, it's the truck. She probably got kids at home. Whoa, look at this. What in the world? Where you going, boo? Oh, Lord. Look what we got. Don't you hit my husband's car. I hope you got insurance. Hey, I guess he drive that truck better than some of these other ones out in there. He just got to figure out how to squeeze past you without hitting you. Do he need you to move over? Oh, this has been one of those days. All right. We're down the street from home. We're approaching. We're trying to get up the hill if my husband would slow down. Whoa. He's throwing me. Yeah. Oh. This is my husband. My husband needs some shocks. My husband. He's doing that deliberately. I see. He's doing that deliberately. It ain't just bad. He's throwing me. Anybody seeing this video? My husband is abusing me. This is spousal abuse. He's shaking me up. He's shaking me up in the car. I hope nobody got his pockets clean, because I swear I don't need him to be fighting. Uh-oh. There go our neighbors. Nope, nobody got us. Because they knew. I can't believe this sun thing. Whew, when I get through shaking and get out the car, the truck, maybe I can show you what I'm talking about. Son, oh, my neck hurt. My husband throwing me around like a rag doll up in here, and I believe it was deliberate.
The tank to get out and push, so I said, man.
I ain't push. Please, you right that right. I ain't the type to get out and push. No, indeedy. You macho man. You get out and push your